All right, guys, coming to you with Sasha. Hey, girlie. Yeah. Very sweet little girl from Lexi's litter. She scored a 2.5 on the Bullhard test, so she's in between a 2 and a 3. Great service dog, awesome family pet. She's very intelligent. She is into doing things, loves interacting, and has a kind of a little sassy personality. So very sweet little puppy, and we'll get you another video here of her.
Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Yeah, it's a good puppy. It's so good. Hey, how you doing? Don't like the collar?